Oh, wait lang.
Bereshit. Bereshit.
Bereshit.
Pala. Pag short. Bereshit. Okay? That's in the beginning. So, we read Hebrew from dulo. Sa kabilang dulo, pag
May picture naman.
So, B, Bet,
Susulat ko sa bahay.
Resh, R, Bre, A, Aleph, Shin, Yod, Tav. Something like that. Okay, so pag ganun siya. Pero yung first letter niya is Bet. The letter Bet. Okay, so, Bereshit.
Hala ka, Bereshit.
So, ito yung first 3 words of the Bible. Sa Hebrew, sinusulat lang siya into one word. It's Bereshit. Pero yung Bereshit is consists siya ng 6 words, 6 letters, which is Beth, mamaya, syempre hindi ako Hebrew, Okay, so what's the last word in the Bible?
Amen.
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 Tama. Okay, so amen in Hebrew is amen. So hindi na tayo mag-aano. Amen is simply amen. So 1, 2, 3 consists of 3 letters. So in Hebrew, it's amen. Same. Okay. So, yung basis lang i-share natin. So, ano nga ulit yung first letter sa in the beginning, sa Bereshit? It's Bet, diba? So the first letter is Bet. Bereshit is Bet. Yung script dito. Bereshit. So ito yung Bet. O, kita nyo? Ito siya. Again, yung last, yung pinakadulo, pabaliktad natin siya babasahin. So ito yung Bet. May mga special character lang kasi may dinadagdag. And then, yung last letter sa Amen, which is, you say Amen, is the word non-softy or no.
No.
Or none lang, no. Ganyan. Ito lang yung pinaka-formal. Pero yung casual is no. So ito yan. Ito yung last letter, yung pinaka-una is no. So, di ba yung beginning, saka end, pag pinagsama mo yung first letter ng Bereshit in the beginning and yung Amen na na, Ben. The word is Ben. It means son. Kaya Benjamin, son of the right hand.
Wow.
Benoni, son of sorrow. Tama? Diba? Yung mga Ben. Ben means son. Sino yung son?
Jesus.
Sino yung beginning and end?
Jesus.
Sino yung Alpha and Omega?
Jesus.
So Jesus is the beginning of the Bible and the end of the Bible. Is the first letter of the Bible.
Wow.
He is also the last letter of the Bible. So cover to cover, book ends, first page, last page, it's all about Jesus Christ. So it is Jesus Christ. So another amazing fact, so ito siya, ito yung ano niya, IPA, phonetic niya, Bereshit. So yeah. So even each letter sa Bereshit na in the beginning talks about Jesus. So for example, unahin natin, Bet. Bet means house. Kaya Bethlehem, house of bread. Not Bet. Okay? Yung Resh, head or chief. Una, leader. Aleph, God or strength. Shin, ano yan? Destroy or
Crush.
Yod, Bereshit. And then siya, it means hand.
And
And then lastly, yung Tav, is sign or covenant or mark. So, yan yung meaning ng each letter. So, when we add them all together, the son or the head of God will be crushed by his hand on a cross. Or that's the covenant, that's the fulfillment of the covenant in Genesis 3:15. That someone will die for the sake of salvation of humanity. So even then, ito is grammatically speaking, it's not considered as yung parang sa mga theologian na ano. Pero ang symbols is ina-acknowledge nila. So the symbols itself ay tumutukoy kay Jesus himself. So siya yung bababa para yung beginning ma-fulfill hanggang end. Amen. So ang ating Thanksgiving is i-share natin is, so yun lang. Wala na. Yun lang, pero para yun yung basis ng ano natin. Who is Jesus for you this week? Sino siya? Jesus is my blank. This week ha, syempre iba-iba araw-araw, pero yung in totality from Saturday sundown until now na nag-sunset na Sabbath na, sino si Jesus para sa'yo? Ano yung ni-reveal niya kung sino siya para sa'yo? Andre, give me a number above 15.
Above
15. Above 15. 20.